Today, we are going to start the process of creating a candy corn friend. I'm going to take my candy corn template and trace it onto my white piece of paper with a pencil. Use your helper hand to hold it in place. I'm going to put my hand across the bottom and then in the middle, and I'm going to draw 3 sections for my candy corn. I'm going to write my name on the outside of my shape on my paper. With a texture roller, I am going to add texture to the paper that I am using to create my candy corn. Put the paper in between the 2 rollers and twist the handle, and then it will come out all bumpy with texture. I'm going to start with yellow at the bottom, then orange will go in the middle, and white will go at the top. Take your time and with your fingers, tear the pieces of paper so that way you have nice little square shapes. Once you have torn your pieces of paper, you're going to fill the space with glue stick glue. Take your pieces and press them down into the glue. Make sure you fill up the entire space. Don't leave any spots empty. Take your time and work carefully and neatly. Remember, yellow goes at the bottom, and then orange in the middle, and white at the top. Fill the space with glue from your glue stick, tear up your pieces, and then place them onto your paper. Make sure you're pressing them down so they are sticking onto your paper. When you are finished, you can always pick up your paper, give it a good shake to see if anything falls off, and if it does, you need to re-stick it and add more glue. At the top, I'm going to take my white paper that has been texturized with a texture roller, and I'm going to fill in just that little space at the top. Whatever paper you have left over, you can return back up to the front. I'm going to press and rub to make sure it's all stuck, and I am done, and I'm going to put this on the drying rack for today. Now that we've given our glue a chance to dry, we're going to go ahead and cut out the shape of the candy corn. I'm going to use my scissors and try to cut right on that line. It is okay if I cut off a few pieces of the colored paper from my candy corn. I'm going to get a background piece of paper. I have chosen purple, and I'm going to flip over my candy corn and put glue on it and press it onto my background. Now let's work on making the face for the candy corn. I'm going to trace the cap of the glue stick to make 2 eyeballs. I'm going to trace the cap of the glue stick on the black paper to make 2 black circles for the center of my eyeballs. Trace your glue stick cap 2 times on the black paper to make your eyeballs. Now with a plastic cup, I'm going to use the bottom side of the plastic cup, and I'm going to trace 2 more circles on a white piece of paper. This will make the white part of the eyeball. This circle is bigger than the black circle because it goes around the black circle, so it should be a little bit bigger. The white circle is bigger and the black circle is smaller. I'm going to put my eyeballs in the orange section so that way I can see them. If you put them in the white section, they're going to blend in just a little bit. Now with the extra paper that I have, I'm going to draw an arch or a rainbow line and create a semicircle that I will use for the mouth. The mouth I'm going to make some teeth for just by cutting out some little triangles or rectangles or squares, whatever shape you want for your teeth. You could even cut them out as circles if you wanted to. Now I'm going to add both of my teeth to my candy corn. And then with a black marker, I'm going to draw some legs and feet. I'm going to draw them using shapes. So I used a rectangle and some ovals for his toes. So a rectangle for the leg and then skinny little ovals for his toes. Same for the arms. Let's draw a rectangle and then add some ovals for his fingers. You can add extra details if you want to your candy corn friend. Take your time and be as creative as possible. When you're all done, throw your trash away, put all your materials away. Make sure you write your name on the back of your paper. Put your picture on the drying rack for the glue to dry, and you are all done for today.